Wow, it instantly relaxes my neck muscles. Thanks, NapeSense, for the great product and the awesome customer service, too. You see this? My new favorite neck massager from NapeSense. Honestly, I was quite skeptical, wondering if this little gadget could reduce my neck pain. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and holy cow, this has been a lifesaver. It reduces my horrible neck pain, and surprisingly, I even sleep better after using it. I've got another neck massager, and it's big and heavy, but I like NapeSense because it's small, lightweight, and cordless. It's easy to use. Using the remote, you can control the intensity, massage mode, and heat mode. Remember, start from the lowest intensity first, but you've got to try the heat mode. I love it.